Ayla, where are we?
Bee park.
Yeah. Look, Ayla, we found a caterpillar. It's so cute. Are you going to the fair? Yes, he's going to the fair. There's a crawfish in here. Hi, crawfish. I hope you don't get eaten. Throw some water on it and see if it swims. Oh, he left. He was scared of that. He didn't like that. And there's a bunch of Texas flags and a Ferris wheel. Oh no, it costs $43,000 to go. We can't go, we don't have $43,000. Just kidding, Ayla, I don't know what that means. I don't know. Ayla, you're on the Ferris wheel. Is it scary, yes or no?
Yes.
Are you scared?
No.
No, you're not scared.
I'm so happy.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's too scary up here. We're up way too high and 2 number blocks up high too, Ayla. Ayla, you're on the teacups. Here they go. Whee! Look, Ayla's on the roller coaster with Ivan. Whoa, it's a big caterpillar. See what they do. Wow, look at that. Whoa. Now the bees are starting to fly. I can't even see where they are. Up high. Oh yeah.
Does it go up on its own?
Yeah, they just, I don't know. Maybe they make it go up. I don't really know. We'll have to ask them. Now we're seeing these kangaroos. Hi, kangaroo. Are you sleepy? You're sleepy. You want some food? Yeah, you want it. You like that. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. You're so adorable. I'm feeding a kangaroo. It's yummy. Look, you want some? So cute.
I know. I think they're.
Look at that one.
This one.
Cute.
It looks young, but it's not the same.
That one's hungry. Look at you over there. Ayla, feed that kangaroo. He's hungry. Look, you're gonna feed it.
Wants more.
Wow. He licked you. So cute. Ayla, do you like the kangaroos?
Yes.
And you like the birds? There's parakeets in there. Eat it. Alright, kangaroos are really soft. They have soft fur. Look how soft they are. There's some zebras in here. And there's a little baby goat in here. Hi, baby goat. Oh, these kangaroos. Hi. Want some? You like that? Want that? You're like drinking it. Yummy. This one's trying to hold its own cup. Ayla, you're riding the pony. Look. You're having such a good time. Look at that pony. Ayla, smile. Ayla, look at mommy. Smile. It's so fun, isn't it? Ayla's petting a pig. That's a big pig. And there's a little pig. right there. Hi, big pig. Here's another pig. That's a big gray pig. I wish I had a pig. Ayla, do you wish we had a pet pig at our house? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Ayla wants a pet pig at our house. Hi, cow. How are you doing? Is this your baby? You're a baby cow. Hi, baby cow. Ayla, look, that cow's a baby. That's so cute. That's a baby cow. There's a pretty spotted cow. Hi, spotted cow. I guess this cow has a baby too, because here's another baby cow. Hi. Are you a baby cow? You're so cute. Wow, you have some really nice eyelashes. Hello, sheep. Highlander cattle. This one has big horns. Wow, look at that.
Oh, he's scratching with it.
He has a built-in scratching thing with his horns. Hi. He's licking himself. I think he might be a cat. Maybe he identifies as a cat. Highlander cattle. Some of these goats are babies. That one has clothes on over there. And it's hopping around. That's so cute. I want to see that little baby one he's holding. That's a tiny baby.
Thank you, bud. Those are over there.
Huh?
Those are over there.
Look, Ayla, there's a chicken right there. Should we go see the baby chicks too? They have some baby chicks. We should see all these chickens. I guess they go up there and they lay their eggs. Look. Look, there's a baby chick. Look, Ayla, you want to pet the baby chick right here? Look, she's holding one. Ayla, look. You can pet the baby chick.
No?
I want to pet it. Hey! That's adorable. Look at all those chickies.
Can I pet it?
Just one finger.
These ones are just hatched.
See that one over there?
Ayla, look. There's even more over here. Look, I'll show you. Look in here. Eggs.
Chickies.
Yeah, there's a lot of chickies. Some of those chickies are still in their eggs. That's why there's eggs in there. It looks like that one has a crack in it. There's probably going to be a chicken that comes out soon. Hi, chickie. Hey. Oh, do you want out? Well, you're going to have to stay in there. I can't get you out. Sorry. Ayla, do you like those chickies?
Yes.
They're so cute. Look, these goats climbed way up there. That's pretty neat. All right, so Ayla wants to ride some rides again, so we're gonna go back over to the rides, aren't we, Ayla? Ayla, we are in a helicopter. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yay! Okay, we're inside. The other helicopters are out there. I think we might go really high. What do you think? Are we gonna fly? Oh, it's starting. Oh, I'm scared. Are you scared? Or are you happy? Yeah. Whee! We're getting higher and higher. Yay! We are up really high now. Not as high as the Ferris wheel was, but pretty high. Ayla, I see you. Ayla's in the bus. Ayla, you gotta sit down. There she goes. Ayla, wow, it's a big bee. Nice. Smile. Okay, thank you. Bye, bee.
Bye.
Goodbye.